Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will discuss key changes at Character.AI and OpenAI, Meta's new video segmentation model, and NVIDIA's GPU delays. Additionally, we'll explore innovations like Tezi's AI recruiter and Muktest's automated QA testing. Character.AI co-founder and Chief Executive Officer Noam Shazir is returning to Google, along with co-founder Daniel DeFreitas and other employees. Shazir had initially left Google in 2021 to start the A16Z-backed chatbot startup, Character.AI, and had previously led the team that developed LaMDA. Dominic Perella will be the interim Chief Executive Officer of Character.AI. Google is signing a non-exclusive agreement to use Character.AI's tech, providing funding for the startup. Shazir and his team will join Google's DeepMind research team. Character.AI plans to leverage third-party language models alongside its own to focus on post-training and new product experiences. Regulatory bodies, including the Federal Trade Commission and European Union, may scrutinize these moves. Character.AI has raised over $150 million, primarily from A16s. Greg Brockman, president of OpenAI, is on leave until year-end, while co-founder John Schulman departs for rival AI startup Anthropic. These changes follow notable management exits this year, including Vice President of Product Peter Deng and several safety team members. Despite departures, OpenAI has added a new Chief Financial Officer and Chief Product Officer, significantly altering its team since its 2015 launch. With Brockman and Schulman gone, only Chief Executive Officers Sam Altman and Wojciech Zaremba remain from the original team. Schulman, a key figure behind ChatGPT, emphasized his departure wasn't due to alignment research issues. At Anthropic, he joins former OpenAI researcher Jan Leike. Elon Musk has revived a lawsuit against OpenAI and its CEO Sam Altman, accusing them of fraudulently inducing him to contribute $44 million in seed funding by promising to keep OpenAI open source and non-profit. Musk claims Altman and others intended to turn OpenAI into a profit-driven entity, contrary to their initial promises. Musk alleges that without his funding, OpenAI wouldn't exist and that Altman deceived him to gain personal and shareholder benefits. Musk is seeking maximum damages for fraud, breach of contract, and false advertising. Additionally, he wants the court to void OpenAI's exclusive license to Microsoft, arguing that it contradicts the original nonprofit mission and that OpenAI's recent models should be classified as artificial general intelligence, AGI, thus voiding the license. Meta's Segment, Anything model, which excels at identifying and outlining objects in images, now has a sequel named Segment Anything 2, SA2, introduced by CEO Mark Zuckerberg at SIGGRAPH. SA2 extends the model's capabilities to video, allowing efficient segmentation across frames. Unlike its predecessor, which had to be applied to each video frame individually, SA2 processes video natively. This advancement makes it particularly useful for scientific research and other applications requiring detailed video analysis. The model remains open and free to use, accompanied by a database of 50,000 annotated videos for training. Meta also used an internal database of over 100,000 videos, details of which are not public. Meta emphasizes that their open-source approach fosters an ecosystem that enhances the functionality and effectiveness of their AI tools. NVIDIA's upcoming Blackwell AI GPUs, initially set for a late 2024 release, are reportedly delayed to early 2025 due to design flaws. Microsoft, Meta, Google, and xAI will have to wait longer for their orders. Two anonymous sources and a contact at Microsoft confirmed the news. NVIDIA recently delivered engineering samples, but issues have pushed back the timeline. Meta had already doubted a 2024 delivery. NVIDIA's AI superchips cost up to $70,000 each, with complete server racks costing around $3 million. NVIDIA, holding 98% of the data center GPU market in 2023, cannot afford mistakes that could undermine customer confidence. Despite its market dominance, NVIDIA faces pressure as major clients like Amazon and Google are developing in-house AI hardware. OpenAI introduces structured outputs in the API, ensuring model outputs conform to developer-supplied JSON schemas. This feature enhances reliability over the previous JSON mode by guaranteeing adherence to schemas. The new GPT-4 02024-0806 model scores a perfect 100% in schema compliance, compared to less than 40% for GPT-4 0613. Structured outputs are available via function calling by setting strict, true, and a new response dark format parameter. The feature supports Python and Node SDKs, making schema integration straightforward. Safety mechanisms ensure compliance with OpenAI's policies, and native SDK support simplifies implementation. Constraints are dynamically managed using context-free grammar for precise output generation. Next, we explore Figure's advanced humanoid robot. California-based robotics company Figure has unveiled its second-generation humanoid robot, aimed initially at commercial production lines with future plans for home use. Founded in 2022 by Brett Adcock, the company has redesigned the hardware and software, enhancing AI systems, computer vision, battery packs, electronics, sensors, and actuators. The F-02 robot features onboard microphones and speakers for human interaction, supported by custom AI models from OpenAI. It includes a vision language model and 6 RGB cameras for understanding its environment. The robot has increased computational power, advanced human-like hands, and a new 2.25 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Currently, the F-02 is being tested in BMW's manufacturing facility, performing tasks such as inserting sheet metal parts and AI data collection. Figure aims to enhance productivity and quality of life through its advanced robotics. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Tezi's flagship product, Max, is the first fully autonomous AI recruiter designed to handle the end-to-end recruiting process. Max leverages natural language search, a database of 750 million candidate profiles, and deep calibration to source candidates. It screens applications, ranks and assesses candidates, and manages interview scheduling, all while providing a consistent, high-quality experience. Companies using Max can reduce ramp-up time from weeks to minutes, cut hiring costs, and scale recruitment efforts flexibly according to market needs. Max interacts seamlessly with users on platforms like Slack, providing instant responses and reducing bias in hiring decisions. This allows human recruiters to focus on strategic tasks. Powered by dozens of specialized AI agents, Max is continuously improving and aims to streamline more recruiting workflows over time. Co-founders RVP and Jason James bring decades of experience and have hired over 500 people, driving Tezi's mission to democratize high-quality recruitment globally. Mooktest, a startup from Raleigh, North Carolina, has introduced an AI agent designed to automate software quality assurance, QA testing. Co-founded by Ivan Barajas Vargas and Renan Ugalde, Mooktest aims to reduce the manual effort required to create and run QA tests. Traditional QA testing involves human testers creating and executing test cases to find bugs in software interfaces. Test's AI agent automates this process, leveraging large language models, traditional machine learning, computer vision, and image recognition to understand the context within applications. Barajas Vargas, with 20 years in software QA, and Ugalde, an engineering expert, combined their expertise to train the AI agent to think like a QA tester. Early versions of Test's product used no code and algorithms for test creation, but the new AI-driven solution allows users to describe the desired test suite, which the AI then generates automatically. This innovation significantly reduces the manual effort involved, enabling tests to be executed with a single click. Hyperspace addresses the rising demand for efficient data retrieval in generative AI applications. Co-founded by CEO Ohad Levi, Hyperspace leverages domain-specific computing to enhance database performance, focusing on lexical and vector searches. Lexical searches look for exact keyword matches, while vector searches understand the semantic context of queries. By using a mix of FPGAs and GPUs, Hyperspace claims up to 10 times faster searches compared to traditional databases. Hyperspace operates as a cloud-native managed database on AWS, sold as a software-as-a-service model. It supports various data types, including videos, images, and text, and is priced based on size and query volume. Levi asserts that Hyperspace delivers 5x higher throughput at half the cost of typical databases, outperforming even Elastic in some scenarios. The Tel Aviv-based company has already gained traction with clients in fraud prevention and e-commerce, such as Forter, Ensure, and Renovai. Levi emphasizes the growing need for advanced AI infrastructure to handle increasing data volumes and complex search requirements. Bandana, a New York City-based startup, aims to help lower-wage workers find better jobs with higher pay and benefits, closer to home to reduce commuting time. Chief Executive Officer Timothy Macalinau describes the platform as one rejuvenating the working class of America by simplifying job searches and improving livelihoods. Bandana.com features job listings with detailed descriptions, pay ranges, estimated take-home pay, after taxes, benefits, and location maps. Since launching the website, Bandana has listed up to 25,000 jobs daily and attracted over 150,000 job seekers, mostly organically. Approximately 10,000 to 15,000 people have found jobs through the site. The startup has used content marketing effectively, creating viral TikTok and Instagram videos that highlight job opportunities and local businesses. This strategy has resulted in a low acquisition cost of 1.5 cents per user. Bandana plans to expand beyond New York City to New Jersey, Long Island, and other areas, and by first quarter 2025 to Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area. Future developments include a generative artificial intelligence search tool and expansion into training, certifications, and financial literacy. The latest investment was led by General Catalyst, with participation from Craft Ventures and Triple Impact Capital. Next on our agenda, we explore the evolution of smart home technologies. Kala Systems, founded by Michael Rigney in Boston in 2020, is transforming the water heating industry with its smart, efficient heat pump water heaters. Traditional water heaters, whether gas or electric, haven't evolved much in decades and are costly to operate. Kala's innovative product uses an advanced heat pump paired with an AI-powered control system to predict hot water demand, optimizing heating times and reducing energy costs. The system collects data such as weather forecasts, time of use energy pricing, and household-specific information like water usage patterns and solar panel presence. It then uses this data to heat water efficiently. For instance, it may utilize excess solar energy on sunny days to preheat the water or slow down the compressor to enhance heat transfer efficiency by about 30%. Kala's 65-gallon model, priced at $2,850, is more expensive upfront, but promises significant long-term savings on utility bills and lower carbon emissions. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.